Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to how to use something important. You can snap origin add-ons. If you work with objects, this could be useful, and I downloaded this, and I find it very useful. Get add-on or download. I think I will have to save in one particular folder because I have applications Blender. Because when you work with program Maya, it could be useful for you to install. I just have to check something. You can manually install add-ons. I have already this in program Blender. How does this work? When you press button D, you can snap your gizmo even here, and once again when you press, you can manipulate objects in similar way like in Maya. You don't have to select origins to snap. You can still edit origins, but you don't need to do that. Because if you don't deselect this, it won't be here. But I think okay, let's press again. In top panel you see snapping is on when you press D button on your keyboard. But don't select this unless if you want to manually adjust origin, because you can still, but this add-on allows you to manipulate objects like in Maya. I just have to check edit mode. Edit is completely different. I think it works in object mode. Oh, you can also snap not only gizmo but rotation tool as well. So you can rotate any objects like in Maya. Press once, then after when you finish, once again. I wanted to show to you origin move like in Maya. It is completely free and you don't have to pay any money for this tool. Another version of Blender I wanted to check for people who still work with previous version. Oh, I still have old version of Blender, so I have to quit new version and get back to old version of Blender. Because all add-ons will be installed in that folder, I guess. In that folder after when you install manually. But now, because I still have old version, don't use old version because new version is much better. But I'm publishing video tutorial to show to you how to install add-on extension manually. Install from local hard drive. Ctrl V. and you should see the newest add-ons. I updated the services add-on as well to the newest version, which is from last year or from 2 years back then. Okay, I will have to check if this works without any problems. To turn wireframe on of ACT. I like working with Matcap because Matcap has they added new option specular lighting in new version. I think from version 5.10, and I wanted to check something. I don't know if this works only in object mode. For me it works only in object mode. Press D and we have option to snap our gizmo like in my program, but we have to turn panel on. You don't have to select origin, because in the past you had to turn this option on to manually snap gizmo after using option vertex, align rotation to target. You can still do that manually. But that option, that add-on does the job much better. But don't forget to press D once again, so you can move your gizmo and you can rotate your object. It could be useful if you want to model like the door or window or whatever. I hope you like this video tutorial. Origin move like Maya.